Hello, I'm at PyCon DE. Let's see who's here.
Hi, I'm Katharine, also known as KJAM, and I work in privacy and security and machine learning systems.
Yeah, hi, I'm Ines. I'm the co-founder of Explosion, and we build developer tools for AI developers.
Hi, my name is Alexey. I come from Berlin to this wonderful conference. It's my first time here in Darmstadt, and I'm really excited to be here.
Yay, so do you use AI and how do you use it?
Oh yeah, I use AI. I like to hack AI. I like to observe AI. I like to build AI. So I've been in the space for a while, and I think it's a really exciting way to understand stuff about data, information, and computers even.
I don't even know where to start. Right now, as we speak, I actually have a few Codex agents and one Cloud Code agent running in my server, and I connect to this server from my phone. I use SSH, and I can just control and tell it, hey, like do this or that, and then right now I'm working on a special thing I called Agent Team Orchestrator. So I have multiple agents, each agent has a role, like I have a software engineer, I have a tester, I have a PM, I have a team of agents that work together, and I give them a task, and they decompose this task and work together as a team. They have their own Kanban board, so I'm really happy with the results.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we need to see, what's working, what's not working, taking the latest tools, making them usable for developers, and also, we're also involved in building the AI that developers will use and basically help them take back control and build their own AI systems in-house.
Cool. Do you have any hot take about AI?
I really like AI, and I really like seeing what is happening right now in this world. I am a bit worried about what can happen, because right now I'm self-employed. But if I need to look for a job, I don't really want to imagine myself looking for a job right now, because I heard that this market is really tough because of AI.
Yeah, so I think the one main thing is we're very focused at the moment at using AI as the system, like using a big model to solve a task for us. But I think instead we should also be thinking about how we can use AI to build the system. Because there's like tons of capabilities now that we have to build software and build something that's very specific to what we're trying to solve, instead of just thinking of the LLM as like the system that will do all the tasks for us.
I got lots of hot takes on AI. I think the number one hot take on AI is, are you running it locally? And we can have a look at my machine over here. I don't know if you want to walk. We'll take a little vibe check here. This is my machine I built myself. So if I can do it, you can do it. That's my hot take. Build a machine, run your own AI.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you.